Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and I'm just going to get to it. So again, concentrating on ballerina faces, and this time it's females. All three, excuse me, frog in my throat. All three were good speed, and they actually took 3 minutes each. This one was a little bit too joy, and the lips were a little bit too big. But anyway, number 1 and number 2 are actually the closest to the reference photo, and it was a kind of half side on, and also the rest of the photo was actually missing, so hence why there isn't a top of a head. So all good aspects for ratio and layout, except number 3, from that part down, it was just something isn't quite right, and I think it's too narrow here and also too wide in the mouth. So if you are utilising these methods, please let me know. As I said, I'm trying to take positive aspects from each sketch so that I can learn quicker, and also, instead of just thinking that something's bad or a failure, seeing where maybe I could have gone in a different way or what needs to be improved. So nothing's really negative. Number 1 has good layout and proportions. Number 2 has a good nose and overall face shape, and number 3 has good eyes and nose. So yeah, I'm just trying to think more positively, and so that I can use that in the feedback, and also so that I can then learn from it much more quickly, instead of just becoming demoralised and thinking that I can't get this. So let me know what you think and get back to me. Thanks guys.